One-day codes are similar to contractor codes, but they change every day. Contractor codes are static, meaning someone can repeatedly use the same contractor code to access a lockbox for longer than 1 day. You can use one-day codes to provide the security of giving time-limited access to the lockbox key compartment without the hassle of having to visit your lockbox to change the access codes. A one-day code can be generated for a lockbox up to 2 weeks prior to when the code is actually needed. One-day codes are valid for 1 day and they expire at midnight on the day they have been created for. You can select from 9 different codes per day per lockbox. Some associations allow the use of generic one-day codes. These codes will work on all of an agent's lockboxes. Some associations require one-day codes to be specific to a particular lockbox, meaning the set of codes will only work on one of the agent's lockboxes. There are multiple different ways to create one-day codes. You can generate one-day codes using the following methods. Create one-day codes using the Realtor Lockbox website. You can create one-day codes using the CARS system. You can create one-day codes using the Realtor mobile website, or you can obtain one-day codes by calling CentralLock support. The most common way that one-day codes are generated is using the Realtor Lockbox website. If the lockbox has been correctly assigned to a listing address, generating a one-day code for the lockbox is much easier to do. It is much easier to locate a lockbox by the listing address it is tied to as opposed to looking up a lockbox by its serial number. Follow these steps to successfully assign a lockbox to a listing address from the Realtor Lockbox website. Log in to the Realtor Lockbox website at www.centrallock.com. Step 2. Click the My Lockboxes or Lockboxes tab. Step 3. Click the serial number of the lockbox you want to assign to a listing address. You can use the search bar to search for a specific lockbox. Step 4. From the Edit Lockbox window, click the Select button next to the listing field. Step 5. Use the Select Listing window to select the listing address you would like to assign to the lockbox. You can use the search bar to search for a specific listing address. After you select a listing, click the Submit Changes button. Step 6. Click the Save Changes button to save the listing assignment. Follow these steps in order to generate a one-day code using the Realtor Lockbox website. Step 1. Return to the main menu by clicking the main menu link at the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. After logging in, click the Add One-Day Codes button on the left-hand side of the main menu. Step 3. If the agent field appears on the Add One-Day Codes window, click the Select button to open the Select Agent window. You can use the Select Agent window to select the lockbox owner's name. This will generate generic one-day codes that will work on any of this agent's lockboxes. Step 4. If your association uses lockboxes with firmware version 2.03 or higher, the Add One-Day Codes window may display the lockbox field. If the text "You must select a lockbox" appears below the lockbox field, the Add One-Day Codes window will require you to select a specific lockbox. This means the one-day code you create will only work with the specific lockbox you select. Step 5. Select a date or date range from the date's valid calendar. Step 6. Click the Generate Codes button to create the one-day codes. Step 7. After you click the Generate Codes button, the CentralLock server displays the Edit One-Day Codes window. The code field displays the one-day codes you created. Any of these codes will work on the lockbox shown in the lockbox field on the date shown in the date valid field. Anytime someone uses their CentraCard, contractor code, or one-day code to access the key compartment of a lockbox, the lockbox and CentraCard record certain access information. This information can be viewed in the lockbox access log. Anytime someone uses their CentraCard, contractor code, or one-day code to access the key compartment of a lockbox, the lockbox and CentraCard record certain access information. This information can be viewed in the lockbox access log. If you are a broker, agent, office staff, or association administrator, you can view a lockbox access log in the Realtor Lockbox website. Use the following instructions to successfully view the lockbox access log. Step 1. Return to the main menu by clicking the main menu link at the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. Click on the Lockboxes or My Lockboxes tab from the main menu. Step 3. From the Lockboxes window, click the View Access Log link located beside the lockbox serial number you would like to view the access log for. Step 4. After you have chosen and submitted the dates you would like to view the accesses for, the CentraLock server will display the lockbox access log. Anytime someone uses their CentraCard to perform an action other than opening the lockbox key compartment, the lockbox and CentraCard record this information. This information can be viewed in the lockbox events log. If you are a broker, agent, office staff, or association administrator, you can view a lockbox event log in the Realtor Lockbox website. Use the following instructions to successfully view the lockbox event log. Step 1. Return to the main menu by clicking the main menu link at the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. Click on the Lockboxes or My Lockboxes tab from the main menu. Step 3. From the Lockboxes window, search for the lockbox serial number and click on it. Step 4. Click the View Events Log link. Step 5. After you have chosen and submitted the dates you would like to view events for in the Lockbox Event Log Date Selection window, the CentraLock server will now display the Lockbox Events Log.